pupunta kami ngayon na second arc. Kasi, ang daming tao doon sa first major arc. And right now, nakikita ko na si Mickey na nakasakay sa skateboard. He's bouncing on skateboard, guys. And then, dala-dala ko yung stand ko ngayon para naman medyo maganda-ganda yung angle.
Give me a picture. Let's go. Let's go.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Picture mo na kami, guys! We're already inside Hong Kong Disneyland. Sobrang daming tao nga lang at saka sobrang init because it's a Saturday. All the families have the same plan as ours, but we're now here. Yes. Okay, hanap na kami ng ating first ride, guys. Muna tayo? Punta muna tayo sa lilim dun, no?
We can start discussing, bro.
Yeah, punta muna kami sa lilim so we can start discussing kung saan kaming unang ride. Hi guys, so we're going to Tomorrowland. This is the Disney Castle. Let's zoom in. Wow, oh my god, I can't believe I've seen the Disney Castle in person. Na-overstimulate na siya, guys. Overstimulated na kami, guys, kasi ang kalaban mo dito ay ang init. Pero may mga Starbucks naman,
Let's just
no?
keep going straight until we find the circle.
Okay. Ganyan karami ang tao, guys, on a Saturday. May Main Street Market here. Oh my God! Sobra yung init. As in, nagbalabal na ako, guys, para hindi ako ma-sunburn. Loko. I mean, ang tumutugtog right now is,
Coco.
Coco.
In Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland is our first ride. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna ride every ride in Tomorrowland, and then we're gonna move to. And then hold on, guys. And then we're gonna move. Once done with Tomorrowland, we're gonna move to Adventureland, and then Fantasyland. I'm so excited for this. I've never been here, but now I have.
Neither I. Mama nasa likod. Hi, Ma!
Yo, it goes in the dark. Yo, we're going in the dark.
Yeah. It glows in the dark, guys. Everything we're wearing is glowing in the dark.
I love Disneyland.
It's my time to shoot, guys.
Yo, what is this? What is this?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Disney is the most happiest place on earth. You guys should go to Disney. I love Disneyland Hong Kong. I seem like a crazy person, but who cares?
Hindi lang kami nakikita, guys.
I love Disneyland. I'm coming back here. guys. So now we're almost at the Iron Man experience. We have to pick up Stark Vision sunglasses for the raft. So I'm gonna rate the Stark Vision sunglasses once I get it. Stark Vision. Let's get. What's it for? Okay. So now we just got the glasses, and we just gotta wait.
And now it's time for me to introduce you to your pilot today, Jarvis. Jarvis is an
Basically,
autonomous artificial
we got the glasses for the
intelligence
ride.
created by Tony Stark.
They're pretty bad right now, but once you get to the ride, it's crazy. You're gonna see my biggest reaction later. Okay, we are about to start the Iron Man experience. I'm super duper excited for this.
Ang galing guys, para kaming nakasakay sa spaceship ni Iron Man. Na, tapos yung glasses, lumulutang yung mga nangyayari na para bang, oh my god, gumagalaw siya guys. Oh my god! Wow! So, bali niligtas kami ni Iron Man. Oh my God! Ayan siya, ayan siya. Ayan na, niligtas kami ni Iron Man, guys.
Miss me? 1, 2, 3. Hit him hard, Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
Hi guys! So, dito kami ngayon sa Hyperspace Mountain. Tapos, susunod doon namin ay Fantasyland according sa aming navigator.
And then when it's nighttime, we're gonna wait for the fireworks.
Yeah, okay. So, yung first two rides namin, which is yung Ant-Man, pati yung Iron Man experience, naka-vlog yun. Kasi yun yung first two rides namin here sa Hong Kong Disneyland. So, gusto ko ma-document. Pero, ito kasi, third ride na namin itong Hyperspace Mountain experience. So, baka hindi ko na to i-vlog. Kasi, hindi ko na-enjoy mga rides kasi nag-vlog ako. So, ano masasabi mo, Ma? Ulitin mo lang yung sinabi mo. Kasi nag-record kami kanina, hindi pala nag-play.
Ay, unique yung mga laro. Ang ganda. Mamasyal kayo dito. Ganda ng mga rides. Akala mo si Iron Man ka. Hinahabol mo sila.
Niligtas kami ni Iron Man. Ganun ang atake niya. Ang ano lang dito, catch lang dito talaga is sobrang init niya. Pero mabilis naman yung pila. Kasi hindi naman kami bumili ng early access. Wala kaming ganun. It's a Saturday today. So, marami talagang tao. Pero yung pila naman is gumagalaw. Hindi ka naman maghihintay na parang siyam-siyam. So, ayun. Makamontage na lang tayo, guys. Kasi, para ma-enjoy ko naman ang rides, diba? Okay, bye!
I'm excited for Adventureland. I'm excited for Adventureland.
Joke lang pala yung pagkat ko kanina.
I'm excited for this one because we get to ride a boat through the swamp for Tarzan. And the Grizzly Gulch for like a bear or something.
Oh my God! Hello, ma.
Malapit na to Enchanted Forest.
手脚放在船里面，并请照顾好您的小孩。谢谢，我让那边安全
Ay,
站
kaya pala naiyak si Ate.
目前作为到
Kaya pala naluluha kasi ang ganda. Oh.
Nine-year-old ate went to home.
Para talaga sa little girl ito. Narating na ako ng World of Frozen, guys! Hi guys! I don't know, nakikita niyo ako, but nakatapos lang namin dito sa parang Kristoff's Sleigh or something. I forgot what it's called, but sobrang dali lang ng ano, ng ride, mga 1 minute lang siya. Grabe. Okay, punta naman tayo sa, actually, kakainin na muna namin yung snacks namin. Kasi, bilis lang ng ride guys, wala pang ano. Huminga lang ako. Ang haba ng pinila, pero yung rides, 2 minutes lang. Pasok na tayo doon sa loob ng parang Frozen. Guys, so nandito kami sa Frozen Ever After nakapila. Kakatapos na namin kumain ng baon na may snacks from 7-Eleven. Kagabi namin binili. So, ayun, tingnan natin kung ano yung ride na to. Kasi lagi ko ito nakikita sa TikTok. Laging nire-rave ng mga person. So, ayun, medyo bad lang yung lighting here kasi nga parang ganun yung ano ni Kingdom of Arendelle. Wow, we're here guys. Can you believe? So kanina, yung rides na sinakyan namin is Small World. Tapos di na ako nakapag-vlog doon masyado eh. And then, here naman, tapos kanina nag-ano rin kami, nag-roller coaster kami, yung sleigh ni Kristoff. I forgot the name. So, ayun, nag-ano kami doon, naka 2 rides na kami. 4 rides na ba tayo? All in all, no? Parang 4 rides na.
I just count.
Yun, hindi na kami nakapag-count. Siguro mga fifth or sixth ride na to. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-ina-anticipate ko. Nakasakay na tayo. This is my priority ride kasi gusto ko talaga yung Frozen. Tapos yung headband ko pa kanina ay Elsa. Tinanggal ko lang muna. Wow, nandito tayo ngayon sa Frozen Ever After na ride. Oh my God! Hi, Olaf! Bye, Olaf! Wow! Oh my God! Naririnig namin yung parang theme song. Oh my God! Mababasa ka pala dito, guys!
Let's just call it tonight. 'Cause for the first time in forever, you're here.
For my sister's magic night. To test the limits and break. No matter wrong, no rules for me. I'm cold never bothered me anyway.
Oh my God, nahulog sila, guys. So, mahulog din kami. Oh my God! Ayan, oh. Ay, hindi pa na. Thank you, Lord. Hindi kami pabaliktad mahulog. Oh my God, ready? Oh my God, oh my God. Ah!
outside to stand and cuddle, but put me in thunder and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
exactly.
Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Ah, well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and
Lipstick na yun. Nasa kayo na ba? Oh my God.
Hello there. I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Oh my God. La 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 la. Anong lugar na naman to? Oh my God. May lumalabas ako po. Ay! Ah! God! Oh my God, may lava. Kanina guys, na ano kami kasi nabasa kami. May ilaw yung ba na? Papatay na naman kami nito. Ay! Diyos ko! Ay! Ay! Ay, siya pala! Akala ko kami. Oh my God, kawawa naman siya. Oh my God. Ay. Siya ba si Mystic Manor? Charot. Siya ba ang maglilig sa atin lahat? Ene. May talagang pinapalibutan ka namin. Ito yung mga nangyayari sa street. Talagang nagalit na siya. Wala yung magic. Nawawala. Wala, wala, wala. Oh my God. Balik na yung magic sa box.
There you are. You didn't touch that
Kunyari, walang nangyari.
What do we have here? We have spider! Spider in here! Oh, you're the world biggest poisonous spider. Look! There's other one right there. Look! Your shirt! Your shirt is beautiful. I like it. Where you get it? Tell me later. Because we are not.
Give it up for our hosts, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse! 아니, 원이가 행정부터 웃기는 주인공을! Sing it with me, 'cause it's time to celebrate! Tell everybody!
Hi guys! We're now here in the Disney Castle. But wala pa kasi masyadong nangyayari. Kakatapos lang nung first show. Bale, ang dami na rin namin nasakyan. All in all, parang mga 8 or 9 rides. Ganun kami. And naikot talaga namin. Kasi smallest kasi ang Hong Kong Disneyland. So, naikot naman namin actually lahat naikot namin. Pero pinilian lang namin kung ano yung sasakyan namin. Kasi hindi lahat trip namin. And yung ibang haba ng pila, to sobrang init. Ngayon na medyo hindi na mainit, nandito kami ngayon nakatambay sa tapat mismo ng Disney Castle para abangan yung 8:30 light show, which is yung lagi ko nga nakikita sa TikTok. So, andito kami ni Mama, andyan siya. Si Craig naman, naglakad-lakad siya somewhere para maganda yung view natin. Kasi gusto ko yun i-document dito sa vlog.
Dublin.